सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। We'll read from third verse. What is the page? 72. Sattvam priyan priyarupamscha kaman abhidhyayan nachiketotyasrakshi naitagam srinkam vittamayim avaptah यस्यां मज्जन्ते बहवो मनुष्याः दूरमेते विपरीते विशुचि अविद्याया च विद्येति ज्ञाता विद्याभीप्सिनं नचिकेतसं मन्ये न त्वा कामा बहवो लोलुपन्त। Again, दूरमेते विपरीते विशुचि अविद्याया च विद्येति ज्ञाता विद्याभीप्सिनं नचिकेतसं मन्ये नचिकेतसं मन्ये न त्वा कामा बहवो लोलुपन्त न त्वा कामा बहवो लोलुपन्त। We were seeing that this is the Shishya Stuti going on. The praise of the good disciple is going on. The intention of praise is not to praise, but to create a importance in our mind for the path of Shreyas. So the purpose is that the student who is listening to Vedant, he should become more dedicated to the studies which is going to be in the future mantras. And therefore, these mantras are to create a sense of importance. So he is saying now, Yamadharmaraj is saying that these two paths, Preyas and Shreyas, Duramete Viparite, they are totally opposite to each other. Opposite means it will take to a different station totally. So outwardly, two people may be appearing as doing the same action sometimes. But what is their intention? Very different it can be. What is their idea? What is their goal? What the thought is there? Why they are doing like that? It is very different. What what is their conviction about that action, what is their attitude about their action. It can be far away. Army person also kills and murderer also kills. But when army person kills, he gets more medals and awards. And murderer will get death sentence also. So outwardly a person may be appearing very simple, but inwardly what he wants, what is the thing, what is your very big demand? I'm not talking about that demand which passes and goes. I'm asking what is your real demand in your life? If that can be cultured, what? That main demand, what exactly you want? Somehow if that desire can be more modified so that it is the desire for the moksha purusha, that you are convinced that I am not going to find a particular person or situation. I want to abide in the God or in the self which is there. Which is not there, how can you abide in that which is not there? This world's nature is to be absent. This nature of the world is to be absent. So you are resting on something which will be absent and changing also. So either it will be changing or absent. That person was very good yesterday. Today, yeah, he is not good today. His mood is not okay. Yesterday, he was so nice with me. So we felt there is one word called soulmate. I don't know what exactly it means because we talk about the soul only. What is soulmate? Huh? Meant to trouble each other. अच्छा कैसा है? Soul, huh? What is soulmate? Living together, I think. Living and loving each other. Something like too close, you can say. In short, too close. Say soulmate. I try to define these words, but you don't get a proper definition. Habit is there by studying that what is the exact meaning of this. But it is so confusing. So yesterday that person was very good. Okay, we felt we are so happy together and we were so joyous with each other. Today I just now talked, so his mood is not okay. And I wanted to see the yesterday's mood. I called him to see the yesterday's mood when he was in very happy and lovely mood. But today his mood is not there. So he was very rough today. I was very disappointed now. Okay. So I'm not talking about myself, don't worry. And I don't attach to such foolish people also. Living with a person for some time, I find out how much expectation he can fulfill. Number one. Number two, I find out how much distance to maintain. Okay, don't allow anybody to be very close because you don't know what the person will do later on. And third thing, what is third thing? Third thing is that I always think if the person is very good, some people are very good, their nature is very good, sadhana is very good, everything. In my mind is he should be for God only, not for me. Supposing he is very stable minded person like you all. Supposing. Why you are pulling us? No, bhai, you are Vedantic student. You are coming here, Kathok. Supposing he is very stable-minded, very good, very difficult to get such a person. Then what is my attempt? Please don't come close to me. You serve God. I will give you all the ways to serve God. Don't be for me only. Okay. So this is the I keep myself at a safe distance mentally. Oh, I told all the secrets, sorry. So I shouldn't have told all these things. So this is the this is the path of praise when you depend on something. World is not there. So dur mein the, these topics are far away. Then what shall I do? Viparite Vishuchi. Vishuchi means path. Suchi means pointers. Suchi. And Vishuchi means pointers to different results. Vishuchi. Suchi. Okay. You know, checklist is there. It is called Suchika. Suchi. पता है ना? List. In Hindi, list is called Suchi. Pointers. Oh, yes. Duramite, they are far away. Oh, yes. Then what shall I do? Nothing. Do relax. Why are you worrying? So, avidyaya cha vidyeti jnata. How the Anvay will be there? Those who are advanced students. Ya avidya iti jnata, ya cha vidya iti jnata. Ete vishuchi. What is avidya? One who knows this. And what is vidya? One who vidya means moksha purusharth. Avidya means काम and dharma purusharth, in which there is a vicious cycle. You are enjoying something. What is the meaning of vicious cycle? Huh? I enjoyed something. I enjoyed something. After that, I wanted the object of enjoyment. So topic should be over? No. Topic is not over. Now Katha will start now. Now when I enjoyed it, after that problems are going to start. How? Internally you have created an enjoyer. And externally you want an enjoyed object once more. So there are two pressures now. One is called internal pressure. उसको बोलते हैं BP, blood, not blood pressure, भोक्ता pressure. भोक्ता pressure. BP is manageable. BP is not a bad thing. Don't worry about BP. If you have BP, don't worry. Take medicine if you can, take medicine. And don't take lot of salt. Okay? And walk every day. Don't just sprinkle salt like this. Okay? And don't eat lot of namkeens, etc. Only be keen for Vedant. Never have namkeen. Anyway, so don't worry. This bhokta pressure is very much. I want again. Mar gaya bab. Now this internal pressure again. So again you enjoy it. Again you satiated your enjoyer. Over. अरे नहीं यही तो बता रही it is not over. Then what will happen? Again it will want. And the bell will ring at a certain time. Dun, 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 dun. What? Again I want. Acha, if external object or person you get, good. If you don't get, anger and sadness will be there. This will not stop. No way. And like this, not one is sitting. Many enjoyers are sitting inside. Case is very serious now. There is enjoyer to eat. There is an enjoyer to see somebody whom I like. There is an enjoyer not to see somebody. Enjoyer means sufferer also. I don't like that person. Why is he here? That enjoyer is also there. There is enjoyer to put on new clothes. Enjoyer to put on goggles. Goggles? Dark goggles, this big goggles like film star put on. First they try to project their face. When they become popular, they put on big goggles. I want to have a goggle also. Then I want to have soft touch also. Nice touch should be there. Then I want to have a different kind of room also. Then I want to live with this person also. Then I want this kind of wife also, this husband also, this grandchildren also, this house also, this vehicle also. All are standing. How? Organized or disorganized? Highly disorganized. They are in a rush. By the time enjoy of eating is there, others say, I want to put on the TV also. By the time TV enjoy is put on, other when hey, let us talk to call him also. Let us both watch TV together. By both are watching TV together, he said, "Let me lie down. Where is my pillow gone?" Then another is there. Let us not touch something good also. This is the internal pressures are there. And if one is off, if one enjoyer is dissatisfied, you will be depressed. Are you getting my point? This is a big rush inside is there. मरो इसके साथ अब. Now you die with it. जय हो आपकी साहब. And I die, but these enjoyers are not dead. They will take a new body and they will start there. They will open the shop again. फिर शुरू हो जाओ. Then for satisfying one enjoyer, he will run from pillar to post and post to pillar. I want to marry that boy only. Nobody else I want. I want to marry that boy only. But you are insulted so badly by his father. So what? I want that boy only. I want this job only. I want this job only. I want this money only. One enjoyer whips you day and night. I want this shirt only. I want this food only. That that enjoyer will do everything to see that he gets its own what you say pound of flesh. Shakespeare said pound of flesh. मरो उसके पीछे जाओ. लगा दो 20-30 साल 30-40 years you give in that. अच्छा है. Very good. Very good. जाओ. Very good. लगे रहो पीछे पीछे. Get humiliated. Get insulted. Become deenheen. Pathetic. Become angry when you don't get that. And this way somehow drag life till 60-70. After that राम नाम सत्य है. तो सत्य पहले भी था अभी भी रहेगा. राम नाम सत्य है, सत्य है, सत्य है, राम नाम सत्य है. अब क्या करो? अब टेक अनदर बर्थ, थर्ड वन लो. Dog, cat become ostrich, whatever you want. You liked ostrich egg, so become ostrich. Ostrich farm is there in Cape Town. I went to Cape Town. They said, see ostrich farm. I said, no, what is ostrich? But their egg is very big. Ostrich. Photograph we see. Ostrich video photograph. ऐसे ही इसी को बोलते हैं अविद्या. This is the path of avidya. What nothing else we are doing. We say I'm very busy, I'm very busy. You are busy because one bhokta is whipping you. You are busy because one enjoyer is whipping you. Chal, chal. Go, grab, have that job, apply, have become famous. Get that house, get this bigger house. It has 3 room, 2 have attached bathroom. One is master bedroom. One is for dog also. This particular house has room for dog also. room for dogs separately is there? Yes. In that, the owner will sleep. Who will be in the master bedroom? Dog. Oh. One is Vidya, other is Avidya. You see the path difference. And what is Moksha Purusharth? This person is now internalized person. He is not encouraging who? Enjoyers. Then what is he doing? Finishing it. No, not finishing it. Sublimating it. He feels I don't need this enjoyer. Then who are you? I don't want anything other than what I am. This is called rest in yours. I'm not running after anybody. Then I'm running towards myself. You don't need any. No, I don't. I don't want anybody to pamper me. Why? I am myself have a lot of joy. Meditation is, you know what is meditation? Mediumless meeting with yourself. Everywhere we meet with some medium. Supposing I'm talking to you. I'm talking to with lot of mediums in between. So when Bhokta is a I with a medium of your vasanas. But this is a mediumless meeting with myself. He is saying now, Nachiketa, you are the Vidya Bhipsinam, you are the real wanter of that Vidya. Because natva kama bhavo lolupanta, lot of desires couldn't shake you, couldn't throw you out. I'm so happy. This mantra we saw. Next mantra is called slap mantra. Slap mantra. Here, lot of in our scriptures, lot of harsh words are also said. Hard and harsh words, like when this is cold. Don't scold very softly. Please, you should not have done like that. You don't scold like that. You are not scolding. This is not scolding. You don't scold like that. You are so good. Remain good. But you did this wrong. No, not like that. Scolding, harsh words are used. Scoldings are you donkey. You know, you are a donkey with 2 feet. So something to just take his mind away from the mistake that he has done. Person is mistake. So what teachers apply? They shake him. What the methodology is used there to shake him from inside to outside totally. You glutton. This is the way to live. You have so much minus in yourself, so much attachment is there, like the dog is attached to the meat. Similarly, you are attached like that. A person is shaken from inside totally. This is the hard way used. Why? To shake him because he is not able to leave certain thought. Person is attached to a certain idea, certain hatred, certain attachment. Get out from here. I don't want to see your face. This is all to make him aware, to make him very sensitive. He is insensitive towards some higher principle. He is insensitive towards, I don't want to see you. One day, I will never be there. You will be there, in this world will be there. Okay, whatever you are doing, you will be left like this alone. Like a tree in the oasis. In the desert, you will be standing like that. Such harsh words are used. So that this insensitive personality, thick skin, can become little sensitive personality. And after that, he keeps on thinking on that topic. Who? Why he said like that? Why he said like that? He is angry also, cries also, leaves food also. This way one person food can be given to somebody else. Anyway. So similarly, if you live here, then you will get all these things. Such scoldings are there? Yes. Very hard scoldings are given. I think everything is very good. No, just wait. So it is said here. It is said here. Very hard words are spoken then. Well, who are you? Anybody who came in your life, he suffered because of you. You are you are most unfortunate person because of you everybody has felt unfortunate. There is nobody who is happy in your presence. What you serve? You are sleeping like a pig whole day and night. Oh my God. Better you should not have been here. Oh. I'm not afraid of crying. Keep on crying like that. Why you slept today? Why you overslept today? Why didn't you do your homework? Why you did not pronounce that particular slok? So many times I have said to you, why you are after that? Why you love that person? Why you are attached to that person? Get out from here. Why you are hating that person? This is how lashes are given. And then a person is shaken up from inside outside. Don't talk to me. Get out. Out. Door is not closed. It is banged like that. If he is standing, he gets hit on the nose also. Nose got bruised. And some have very long nose also. This is how we have been trained in the ashram. Okay. Then high alertness. We should not be so angry. We should not be so attached. We should not be so much jealous. Why you are comparing you with that person? Why you are jealous of that person? Why when he is good? Say he is good. You don't have a heart for that. Yet this is slap Upanishad now. Those who are not following earlier path, who are these? Now this is being said. What is said is avidyayam artantare vartamana. There are people who avidyayam means steeped into the wrong notions. We will live together forever. Dekho. In the sky today there is only not one moon. Two moons are there. Two moons. Boy said to the girl, two moons are there. One is on the sky, other is on the down. The boy was bald. Girl said three. Three moons. Two on the, one on the top. Where from you get such ideas, Swamiji? This is called avidya. My son, my daughter. Old people, my great-grandson, Swamiji. I went to see somebody on the deathbed. I said, let me see that. That person was there. Well, a grandson was in front of him. Cancer or something there. Doctor already said that, you won't survive. Seeing me, he started crying. He saw me as a child. So I saw, let me see him. Started crying. What will happen to my grandson? I said, you see what will happen to you, not grandson. No, I cannot live without him. I cannot live without him. I said, no, no, don't live. You cannot live or live. Yamaraj is not asking an option. And he never asked from the door, may I come in please? Only I cannot live without him. Mera pyara sa bachcha. Still I have 4 years. I have never played with him. Khoob roye bhaiya. Then on some other issue, the third issue, half an hour I was there, only talking about these things. After 3 days, I called his brother to find out how is he. He said, we are in the cremation ground. Died. I was in Rajasthan. I said, let me call him and see how is he. He was not well. 3-4 days only. I said, what? Well, yes, we are standing there in the ghat. This is how he started his conversation. I said, what happened to him? He said, we are standing in the ghat. I said, why? He said, no, he's no more. Avidyayam antare vartamana. Wrong notions, wrong ideas, wrong mindness, wrong attitude. Go to the next birth now. So, what about them? What they say? Swayam dhiraha panditam manyamana. This should be inverted comma. From where to where? Vayam you can put in bracket. Dhiraha panditam manyamana iti. Vayam dhiraha should be there. Vayam dhiraha. Vayam dhiraha panditam manyamana. This panditam is there. It should be panditaha. So, Chandas Prayog is there. So, Pandit, I am very wise. I know everything. I don't need any satsang. I know what Gita says. I know what Ramayana says. To be ignorant and know I should be ignorant is good. But to be ignorant and don't know it is dangerous. To have a disease and I have a disease, it is okay. But I don't have any disease. I know Bhagavad Gita. I know Upanishads. I have given a talk also. When they organize a talk on Upanishads, they organize a talk. Acha, yes. There is an intoxication of giving talk also. There is intoxication of hearing claps also. Acha, you give a talk on Upanishad? Yes. Which Upanishad? No, general idea. Acha, tell me one mantra of any Upanishad. Om Sahna Bhavatu Sahno Bhunak. No. Not Shanti mantra. Inside one. Purnamada. No, that is inside one. Shobhava, remember? Tomorrow is the last day. I'm not asking today. And tomorrow I'm in a task. I will ask some other day. Then you have forgotten. Oh my God. So, Swayam Doyam Vayam Dhiraha. I'm so wise. I'm so educated. इतना लोगों को they have false pride about their life, about the notions. One person met me. He will also hear all these things. He said, Swamiji, hatred is very much required in life. ऐसी बात करते हैं. अच्छा? Why? Well, if hatred is not there, person will not have a kick inside. He will not, he will not have an killing instinct inside. I said, but why do you need a killing instinct? Why to kill anybody? Well, this, Swamiji, India remained backward. You know why? Why? Because of Bhagavad Gita. Where from you brought Bhagavad Gita in between? And what you know about Bhagavad Gita? Those who quote off and on, no, they don't know anything about it. One shlok they can't chant and explain properly. Well, this is said, keep on doing action, don't depend on the fruit. I think this is what you know about the fruit? What you know? India has produced greatest genius at all times. In any area. Even science, India has produced great person like Ramanuja. He was a mathematician. Navagraha Vyas was there. India already told it much earlier. No, fighters he didn't have. Tremendous fighters India had. I can give you Rana Sanga was there, Prithviraj Chauhan was there. Great fighters were. Invasion was because we were not united, therefore we were invaded badly. Don't put a wrong idea. Yes, hatred. Hatred takes your mind away from you. Hatred makes your mind burn. So whatever you have to do, you cannot do that work because your big area of mind is burning with somebody's memory. Hatred makes a person very ineffective, inefficient, full of anger, full of complaint. full of negativity. He became over negative about certain person. So he is not a good performer, he is not a good lover, he is not a good server, he is not serving anybody, he is not giving anybody. There is a logic behind it. But he thinks I am very right. The person with ahankar, he thinks whatever he does is right only. Swayam dhira panditam manyamanaha. Acha, well, wine is very necessary. Acha. When we live in cold countries, wine is must. Acha, how do you, why? Because it is very cold, temperature is in minus. But here it is not cold, okay? You are living here in South Africa. Temperature is 20 degree. But still you are taking. Ab bolo. They are trying to justify what they do by this means, that means, by this way, that way. No, non-veg is very much required, Swamiji. You have vitamin B12 is not there. Arey chup, B12 is not there. I also have never non-veg. B12 never short of B12. You test, yes, every 6 months somebody tests. B12 is sufficient there. I can share also. B12. B12 is required. B12 is required. And therefore, I need to have something. We have to take care of our bodies. Array, it is not the question of body. Your 1.5 inch tongue is demanding. It's not the question of body, okay? Don't try to fool anybody. There is one Indian WWF, his name is Khali. I don't know whether you know or not. Indian one, his name is Khali from Punjab. He's a vegetarian. Now another is going, new one is getting prepared. He's a taller than Khali also. This Khali, very tall person. Another is, I forgot his name. Now he is going there. He defeated these big WWF people. बोल दो ना कि I love that. I have no problem. I love eating it. No problem. It is my nature. I can't leave it. Fine. No problem. Don't become wise and don't try to put that point and don't say that is a sermon. Don't put it as a Bible there. That I cannot live without hatred. I cannot live without attachment. I cannot live without. You don't know it properly. This is what Gita says. This is what, you don't know it properly. To study Upanishad, see how much time we have to give on each mantra. And if you had known Sanskrit, more time I would have given on each mantra. There is a description. There is a lot of thoughts are on one build up on a certain subject. You must have seen writing notes or discussion. It is not something blind. We are following something. And like every matter we go into it, bhakti matter also in the evening, you see there is a logic involved, there is a point there. But they think I am very wise. They think I am very, good. Very good. Well, Swamiji, I have one question. If everybody becomes sannyasi, what will happen in the world? Who asked everybody to become sannyasi? Who asked? You are never asking anybody. Who asked? There are 4 ashram here, Brahmacharya ashram, Grahastha ashram. Total freedom is there to go to Grahastha ashram. Who asked you to become sannyasi? Never anybody asked you. Then why you have to become sannyasi? There are certain class of people who want to dedicate their life only for the truth. And a certain discipline is prescribed for that kind of knowledge. It is a discipline. It's a way of living. For time immemorial. If that ashram was not there, ashram means a system. A particular system with a certain rules and regulations. A particular system. Ashram, don't think Chinmay ashram, Sarvadharma ashram, not that ashram. Ashram is a particular system with a certain rules and regulation, so that your higher desire can be given a platform. So that your higher desire can be given a platform, number 1. Number 2, and your your qualification to know the higher may increase. It's an institution. Ashram is an institution. Like MBA you do in Harvard. What is it? Here. What is it? Harvard College. MBA they give. MBA. They don't give MBA. As a graduate. Where is the MBA then? Okay. Now you go through MBA. 2 years course is there. Don't do that. When you go for MBA, 2 years, what for? Your higher desire of going to bigger management should be given a platform. Number one. Number two, going through a system, your qualification will increase. You need a certain rules, regulations are there. Where? In that institution. You can't just go in any class, sit anywhere. There will be attendance, the teacher will take attendance. And if you are absent for many classes, teacher will say, come here, why you are absent? What was the matter? You cannot catch now because that topic is already over. So after going through, laboratories are there, BioPrism is there, that instrument is there, that instrument is there, that chemical is there. You have to do for that laboratory. You go through a certain do's and don'ts, certain studies, certain professors, certain university thing. Then after that, you are well understood. You are not clear. Then you can be placed in the various companies. So ashram, whether it is grahastha ashram, it's an institution where you have come to increase your qualification and give a feel to your higher desire. Got my point? And therefore sannyas ashram is there. It is not a mandatory thing, sannyas, for everybody should take sannyas. Who will give us the food then? Where from we'll get food? Very difficult. So don't people rush to conclusions. And then what happens to these people? Drandram me manaha. Dandram me manaha. It is in Sanskrit. This is called frequentative case. When you will know advanced Sanskrit, then you will know all these things. Means what? Violently moving. Dandram me manaha. And pariyanti, they are moving. Where they are moving? The house? No. And the road? No. In the market? No. In the malls? No. Where? From one birth to another birth. Last birth, my name was Michael. Michael Phillips. Acha? This birth, my name is Harish. Where you are born? In Delhi. Then I was only for 20 years. I died after that. It was a road accident. Road accident? Yes. After that, because I was attached to somebody, next time I am born as a twinkle. Then Twinkle lived for 80 years. 80 years. Where? Muzaffarnagar, this place is there. Muzaffarnagar hai na? Twinkle, Muzaffarnagar. Acha, haan. After that, because she was too attached to her dog, therefore she was born as Tommy. For 5 years, the dog died. After that, what happened? After that, she wanted to go to Britain a lot. Twinkle. But dog Vasna is over. Now she has gone to she is born in some Sikh house. So his name is Gurbinder. So Gurbinder Singh. Now he is doing some studies there. He is studying in that college. The topic is not that simple. Then he has paralysis is there. Early stages paralysis is there. One part of the body is not working. Achha? Why? Fruit of action is there. But what fruit of action is there? Fruit of action, last birth, she used to hit her mother. So total 20 times she had hit her mother. So this is the fruit it has gone. New fruit has come. But she used to regularly go to the temple and offer prasad, etc. Because of that, husband is very good. But this is the problem now. Sorry, wife is very good, but this is there. Wife is serving a lot, but he's on wheelchair. Who? Gurvinder Singh. Then he dragged, ultimately was bedridden. Then again he died. Then what happened? Again that person was born in South India in Chennai. In Chennai, Krishnamurti Ram Prasad Iyer. He wanted to visit South Indian temples, so he was born as a South Indian. Why? He liked idli a lot, dosa a lot, uttappam. And sambar, woof. What to say, sambar was there. And that coconut chutney. Coconut chutney and idli was his favorite. जाओ वहां पे कहाँ अरे नाम बताया ना but he will not get a good college no he won't get why never he offered namaskar to any Saraswati ji's dev murti so he will be placed in a remote village where school will be very difficult to go you don't know 100 fruits are around you. Acha, what about satsang? Satsang for never in any birth he had any satsang. No saint, no. Why? He's not done that much of punya. He never served father, mother. How can he get saints? Saint nahi likha. Let us see that no satsang is around this person. He should be away from saints because he has not done that much of punya. Father, mother, he never served. Guru, he never served. Never he went to the temples and offered anything. I think satsang should not be there. That is not possible. Sorry. Teacher, forget about teacher. Saint he won't get also. Where he will have satsang. Only in the newspaper he will hear some satsang which is there. सामने में ना सामने हमने पुण्य नहीं है. That punya is not there. This is called Dandramimana Paryanti. And this now Yamraj says Moodhaha. Foolish people there. I told you, this is Slap Upanishad. Slap is going on. चाटे पे चाटा लग रहा है. And then he will get some guide. Who is foolish like him? In life, if God is unhappy with you, he gives some foolish guide. And you believe in him. After some time you remember, oh my God, this person I followed, I destroyed myself. You'll know it in time. You will know in time who was your real friend and who was your real guide also. In due time, time will tell that who was your really well-wisher and who was just cheating you. इसने किया है नहीं कुछ कर्म अंधे नहीं माना like blind leading the blind. देख रहे हो आप this is they are trying to hit us hard so that we don't fall into these traps. Please note, this sensor is not for censoring, but it is to make us alert. In Singapore what happens? An accident happens on the road. You know what they do? They write there, accident happened on this day at this time. And they will put a photograph also somewhere. Why? You be alert. This area is accident. I think on the roads also it is written sometimes. Accident prone area. Where turns are there, blind turns are there sometimes. Especially you go to Himalayas, lot of blind turns are there. It is written highly accident. That means you slow down, you go carefully. Don't rush on this area. So this is because that person who is blind, he will not read this Upanishad. He doesn't have that much fortune to go through this Upanishad. It is for seekers like us who are into it. It is a warning bell. Don't be like that. Don't be like that. Okay, I will not be like that. I'm not so bad. No, you may not, but here you can become anything. You just don't know the mind. You don't know the mind. Mind is not a easy. It is not an easy nut to crack.